Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can sell your crypto on KUCOIN and also withdraw your money from your KUCOIN account to your bank account in Nigeria. Now, let's say for example, you have a particular crypto on KUCOIN and you don't know how to sell it and even withdraw your money to your bank account, then this video is for you. Now, before I go on, if you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Femi Olaniyan and I make videos on personal finance, cryptocurrencies, the stock market, and how to make money online. So if you love content like this, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will really appreciate it. And don't forget to like this video. Now, the first thing you need to go to is to go to your assets. So I'll go to my assets right now. And if you check under my trading wallet, you see that I have Solana and I have USDT in my wallet. Now, let's say, for example, I want to sell this Solana and I also want to withdraw my money to my bank account. The first thing you need to do is to go to where you have trade at the bottom side of the screen right here. So you go to trade and then you come here and search for Solana USDT, that crypto you want to sell. So if you sell Solana, just search for Solana USDT and then you can see it right here and then you tap on it. Now you're going to tap on sell since you are selling your crypto. Now, if it's that you want to sell it immediately, you want to sell it at the current price of the market, you just have to make sure that what is here, it is market. Where the arrow is pointing to, what is there is market. So sometimes you might see that you have limit, market, stop limit, and stop market. So make sure that it's on market if you want to sell at the current price of the market. And then just right here, you just come here and enter the amount of Solana you want to sell. So let's say, for example, you want to sell everything. So instead of entering the amount of Solana you want to sell, just come here and enter 100%. So it means that you are selling 100% of the Solana you have in your wallet. And once you do that, you come down here to where you have sell Solana and tap on it. So if you go back to your wallet right now, you see that your Solana has been converted to your USDT. So you can see we have 24 USDT in our wallet. So the next thing you need to do is to transfer the money from your trading account to your main account. Now to do that, you come here to where you have transfer at the top of the screen and then you tap on USDT. So you can see we have 24 USDT to sell. So you tap on USDT and then you can see from main account to trading account. So it is the other way around. So you just tap on this icon where the arrow is pointing to and then to change from trading account to main account. And then right here, just tap on all since it's everything we are selling and then you tap on confirm. So if you go to your main account, you see that your money is already in your main account. Now, after doing that, the next thing is to go to the home screen. Go to the home screen and tap on P2P right here where you have P2P. So you're going to be selling via P2P because in Nigeria, there's a crypto ban on the Nigerian banks in Nigeria. So you can't sell directly to your bank account. You have to sell through P2P and withdraw through P2P. Now it is easy and your money is safe. I'll be showing you step-by-step guide of how to do it right now. So the next thing you need to do is to tap on sell right here. So you see where you have sell, since we are selling and withdrawing to our bank account. And where you have NGN, you need to make sure that it is your fiat currency, your country's currency that is there. So if you tap on it, if you are not from Nigeria, you search for your country's currency. But if you are from Nigeria, you leave it at NGN. Now the next thing is you make sure that you are picking USDT right here where the arrow is pointing to, because it's USDT you are selling. Now the next thing is these are the different people you can sell your USDT to and they will transfer your money to your bank account immediately. Now you need to add your bank account to this because they will need to see your bank details so that they can know where to transfer the money to. Now to add your bank details, come here to where you have these 3 dots. Just tap on those 3 dots and then you see payment method. So if you tap on payment method, you can see that I've already added my own payment method, my bank details right here. So I'm using Kuda Bank. And then if you want to add yours, come to the bottom side of the screen right here and tap on add. And then you click your payment method. So there are different payment methods right here. So if you have PalmPay, OP, Cheaper Cash, Kuda Bank, or if you want to do bank transfer to other banks in Nigeria. So whichever payment method you want, you can check it out right here. So once you've entered your payment method, you go back and then you select the person you want to sell your crypto to. So remember, my own payment method is Kuda Bank. So you have to make sure that you are picking someone that is using Kuda Bank. That's how KUCOIN works. But if you are using other banks, like if you are using like Access Bank, Wema Bank, make sure that you pick bank transfer as your payment method. So right now, the next thing you need to do is to check the person that has the limit of the USDT you want to sell. So right now I want to sell 24 USDT and that is about approximately 15,000 naira. So you look for someone that has limit of about 15,000 naira. So we check this first person has between 100,000 naira to 5 million naira. and then the next person is 500,000 naira to 50 million naira. So you just keep scrolling to where you see someone that has your limit. So let's keep scrolling until we find someone who has between let's say 5,000 naira to like 20,000 naira or thereabout. So this person where the arrow is pointing to has limit between 10,000 naira to 200,000 naira. Okay, and then the payment method is Kuda Bank. So I'm going to be buying crypto from this person at 607 naira 87 kobo, and also you need to check the person's completion rate. So this person has 98.9% completion rate, which is very good. So once you want to sell to this person, just tap on sell right here. So the next thing is to enter the amount of USDT you want to sell, or if you want to sell everything, you can just select all right here, just tap all. But if you are selecting all, you can see that this amount right here is 14,833.61. it might be hard for the person, you get what I'm saying. But if you want to like make it easy for the person, just change this 14,833 naira to maybe 14,800 naira, so it can just be easy. So the person will just transfer 14,800 naira to your bank account, and then you just come here and read the person's remarks. The person is saying, "It's a great pleasure to have you trade with me. I don't charge for any transaction. I can never click I have paid without making payment, except the money is reversed. If your payment is not complete, always feel free to chat me up." And then the person has even put his phone number right here, so you can chat with him. So once you've done that, just come here to where you have sell now and tap on sell now. And right here you'll be asked to enter your trading password. And it's saying, note, it is not two-factor authentication code, it is your trading password. When you are creating your account at the beginning, you have to create a trading password. So that is what you have to enter right here. And if you've forgotten your trading password, just click on forgot trading password right here and it will be resolved. So I will enter my trading password. And so right here it's saying, please wait for the buyer to complete the payment. So I'll be waiting for the buyer to send the money to my bank account. And then once the person has sent the money and then you have confirmed it, but make sure you confirm it, you come to the bottom side of the screen and tap on release crypto. And that is all. So right now I'll be waiting for the person to send the money to my bank account.
A few moments later.
So right here, as you can see, I just received a notification on my phone that this person has just sent 14,800 naira to my bank account. So you can see at the top of the screen, it's saying, please release the crypto. So you just come down to where you have release crypto at the bottom side of the screen and you tap on release crypto. And here it's telling you that to make sure you've confirmed the payment before releasing the crypto. So you just tap on, I confirm that I have received the payment, and then you tap on confirm. And right here you enter your trading password again, and as you can see at the top of the screen, crypto release, the transaction is completed. So just like that, you've sold your crypto on KUCOIN and then you withdraw your money to your bank account. So you can see that it is easy and your money is safe. In case you want to check out more tutorial videos on how to use the KUCOIN app, I have a playlist for that. I'll put the link to that playlist in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you've learned a lot from this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you in another video. Bye guys.